Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. One of the requests from the viewers to analyze the Axis Bank, I'm doing it. It is very interesting setup, and if you start noticing the changes in the behavior and changes in the behavior of the stock, I am going to tell you how it has changed the behavior of the stock and how you need to position about this. Actually, I have made probability video like high 5 minutes high of the day and 5 minutes low of the day probability setups I have made, and I'm comparing it with the market cycle, market setup, and my weekly template. So it is very interesting to know that this setup, this pattern repeats more, even on the Nifty index, even on the any of the stocks. Actually, it undergoes through this cycle. The market started, for example, I'm going to start with the Axis Bank. Here, Axis Bank started its up move with the low of the day. Low of the 5 minutes low of the day. If I zoom it, you can see here it was the low of the day. Here it started with the low of the day. You can see after the fall it started with the low of the day, and next day also it was the low of the day, and then it started its up move with the low of the day, not exactly low of the day, and it made, and you can see the low of the day and low of the day, they were very close to each other. When they are very close to each other, you can imagine that something is cooking. Momentum loss. You can you should start analyzing. You can see the highs, and the highs, they are not spread apart. Here it is making a low high. That means distribution is taking place, and the following day, that was on Monday, it was high of the day and it started coming down. Again, high of the day yesterday. This is Wednesday. This is Tuesday. And from Tuesday, high of the day started, and it has finished three cycles of fall, three levels of fall. And probably today, a reversal you can anticipate in Axis Bank. So if it starts moving higher, it can move, and it can move a parabolic move. It can give you measured move to this level, measured move to 1025. So reversal games start playing in Axis Bank. It is very interesting to note that. So morning opening bell, carefully watch for the price action and take the trade. So it is a cycle. You can see the cycle from the low of the day, low of the day. When low of the day, low of the day coming together, it indicated, and you can see three level of rise, and then breakdown with the high of the day, and now it is ready for reversing. If you notice some low of the day today, the pattern changes, and it may start another leg of up move in Axis Bank. Up move in Axis Bank, it has expanded. You can see from consolidation, it is an up move, breakout of the structure and retest, and you can expect a up move in the stock. Another reason for anticipating for the reversal is here RSI is oversold at this region, and price has made lower low. RSI divergence, you can see RSI has made higher low, and then it has climbed above its moving average. It has climbed above its moving average yesterday itself around 999, and it has rallied to 1011. That means 1% or 1.5% rally. it has shown, and this rally can continue to the upside. So if I put a circle over here, I think this is an expansion, you can see, from the 180-degree. This is an expansion up move, retest, and it can start up move. Now, this is you need to observe. I have put TWAP and RSI for the analysis because I want to see for the oversold position, because usually institutionals, players as well as big money comes at the lower level, discount level. So we need to see at what discount level the big money is entering into the market. That's why I've made the template, weekly template. So you can see this is what is the date, Wednesday, Thursday, because Thursday, Friday is holiday. Today, there may be a parabolic up move. Even it can cross 1025 and 1031 also. Today, you can anticipate for up move in the Axis Bank. When hoping to hold this around 1002 is the very good support for the market. It should not break below 1002. When it holds this 1002, you can go long in the Axis Bank for today's trade. A reversal game can play. The market cycle, round cycle has completed. It can start another cycle upwards. It can cycle upwards. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.